All right, team, we're gonna do a good old-fashioned throwdown today between the Blackstone E-Series indoor griddle versus the regular 17-inch outdoor griddle. All right, coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, so what are we doing here today, guys? We've already done a couple cooks on the E-Series indoor griddle by Blackstone. We even did a comparison one with the outdoor griddle, the 17-inch outdoor griddle. We did smash burgers on it. I kind of put this series aside a little bit because I know a lot of people are having trouble finding one of these E-Series griddles at Walmart. I've heard that they restocked and more shipments went out around the beginning of June, so I decided to get back into the series. So I have two beautiful ribeye steaks. These were sent to me by Six Brothers Beef in Texas. I'll put a link down below to their website. They sent them to me to try. They're not a sponsor or anything like that. I'm not affiliated. It was very sweet of them to send it to me. KC from What's New Barbecue hooked me up with it. Hooked me up with Six Brothers Beef. So thank you, KC. I'll put a link for his channel right here. All right, check out What's New Barbecue. So anyway, we're gonna do these two steaks. I am not putting anything on the griddles. Just the fat rendered on the ribeyes is what we're gonna use to cook these steaks, okay? I have the E-Series griddle turned up to 450. I have the 17-inch Blackstone outdoor griddle. I have it on medium high to high. That'll take us to about the same amount of temperature and same heat. I'm gonna cook these with just salt and pepper. And towards the end, as we finish them up, I'm gonna put butter on each pan with a little bit of garlic, because you know how we do it, like a little garlic butter on our steaks, okay? Really simple, really tasty. And this should be a relatively quick video, but I wanna show the differences in the sear that you get from the indoor versus the outdoor, okay? All right, we're waiting for the E-Series to come up to temperature. The outdoor griddle's already there. So come on back and we'll get the steak cook started. Get these badass steaks on. Yes, sir. Let's get the other one on. Okay, I need to go get, I forgot. You can't use metal on this non-stick surface, so I need to go get the other spatula. All right, we're gonna let these sear about a minute, then we'll flip it, give it another minute, and then we'll just keep going back and forth. We're gonna use our Thermopro instant read thermometer to make sure we're getting the temps right and we get the steaks to where we want them. Okay, team, about a minute on each, minute and a half. Whoop. About a minute and a half. Got some good sear on that one. I'll switch up that spatula. I'm gonna move it to a hotter spot. Okay, here's the initial sear on it. Not bad, there's some good color. Could use a little bit more in there, but we'll see how the other side does. All right, here's the normal Blackstone. Looking pretty good. Got a nice crust going. I probably could have left it go a little bit longer, but we're doing all right. We're gonna give them another minute and a half, and then we'll flip them back over, and then we'll add our butter and garlic in there. We should be able to call it a day relatively soon. Okay, let's flip them over again. That's the other side. Perfect sear. Love that crust. All right, let's check out this other one right here. We got some sear. It's not the best, but it's all right. All right, let's get a couple of them cloves of garlic on there. Get some butter in there with the garlic. Same thing over here. Come on. Get that garlic mixing around, melting with that butter. I'm gonna use the plastic over here too. Keep mixing it around. It's kind of like how you'd baste a steak in the cast iron. Good goodness on there. Same thing with this one. Gonna move it around in there. Fry up that garlic a little bit. Right, time to check our temps. All right, we're temping out about medium in there. Good, good. All right, 139, 140, 140. There you go. And you take these off and let them rest, and we'll cut into them. All right, come on back. Okay, team, we're losing a little light out here, but that's all right. It's a beautiful Southern California night, and we're gonna be enjoying some amazing steaks. Now, I think it's clear cut who is the winner here. All right, I would rather cook these steaks on the original Blackstone with the roll steel, all that good stuff. But the other steak that was cooked on the E-Series would do just fine. It looks great. You can tell if you want a heavier sear, the outdoor model is going to work better in a pinch. If you don't have, like you live in an apartment or something like that, this indoor griddle will do just fine. Okay, you'll get a sear. It heats all the way up to 500 degrees. You'll be in a good spot, so don't stress about that. The next cook I think I'm gonna do, the comparison cook, will be like pancakes, you know, something simple. But I think the indoor griddle will actually do better with the pancakes because it won't as harshly cook it, if that sounds right. So the same thing that we want from that badass sear on the rolled steel original Blackstone that could really kind of crisp up that pancake, it'll be a little bit easier on it on the indoor griddle, the non-stick surface, right? But stay tuned for that. All right, let's get down and let's cut into these bad boys. You check them out. Okay, team, so we'll cut into this first one right here. This one is off the E-Series. It's gonna cut in the middle of it. Cut it in half. We ended up with a solid medium. Probably didn't need to cook it as long, but I really wanted to get that sear on there. And the same thing on this one. It'll probably be the same thing. We'll get it about a medium. All right, so we got medium on this one too. I like my steaks a little more medium rare, but the family likes it more medium, so cater to the family, no big deal. You know I'm going after the spinalis, the rib cap right here, and then we'll grab a bite of the one from the E-griddle, and then we'll give them a shot. Give them a try. I'm gonna mix those up. All right, let's give these bad boys a try. So the first one we're gonna try. All right, so this is off the E-Series griddle. It's a beautiful tasting steak. It's good. It is good. One thing I forgot to mention is I did dry brine these steaks for about a half hour before, so that's why I didn't feel like I needed to season them up anymore with any salt. But the butter and the garlic, all that stuff is plenty. It's tasty. You're gonna dig it. All right. This one's off the outdoor griddle. I mean, to me, it's the hands down the winner. I mean, it is what it is. Okay. So if you have the opportunity, if you can get yourself an outdoor griddle and you can actually use the outdoor griddle. I tend not to use it in the house, but you know, a lot of people have questioned that. It's just something I don't want to do. Like I said, the indoor griddle is serviceable. You'll get a decent sear, not the best, but you'll get a decent sear on it. But I think there's a lot more that we can try with doing these comparison videos where the E-Series might win out, okay? So if you want to see more of these comparisons, make sure you put a comment down below. Hit that thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. If you want to become part of CJ's crew for real, hit that join button. That's right next to that subscribe button, which you should have already hit. So again, become part of CJ's crew for real. Hit that join button, and then you'll get some behind the scenes perks. You'll get your name on the end scroll of each video and my undying gratitude. All right, so that's it for this week, everybody. Thank you all for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.